Now I have something here on the right. This is something that I've used before on the live stream, but that I want to show today. So one of the sketches that I had on my site was this reMarkable tablet that I hope you can see there, right? So this is the reMarkable 2 tablet, and they just released a beta feature today. Like, I discovered it like 5 minutes before going live, and look how awesome this is. So now I can sketch here and take notes on a whiteboard style, and you can see that live, right? Now I can go here and I can erase all, and you can actually see, so this is a new feature that they called screen share, which before you could just see like some sort of live beta view, but now you can actually see me drawing live. And I haven't tested yet what would happen if I set to landscape view. Yeah, this is probably even better because we get it zoomed in, and I can just put it like this, and I have a canvas board. Once again, it was Nono Martinez Alonso here. Thanks a lot for being there. I would appreciate your comments. If you have any questions, any suggestions, leave them on the video comments. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.